Get ready for an epic tech battle. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is launching soon, and it's going head-to-head with Apple's iPhone 15 Pro Max, possibly arriving in mid-January. This powerhouse is keeping the good stuff from its predecessor, a big 6.8-inch screen, a 10x periscope camera, and the beloved S Pen. What's new? Expect a speed boost, a bigger battery with faster charging, and a super bright display. The camera might get a 5x telephoto lens, and the frame might switch to titanium. The screen's getting even better with a record-breaking peak brightness of 2500 and a rumored 144 Hz refresh rate. Despite battery rumors, it's sticking with a 5000 mAh 1 and 45W charging. Running on One UI 6 and packing Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, up to 16GB RAM, and storage options up to 1TB, this phone is a beast. Stay tuned for more tech updates, and don't forget to subscribe. Peace out.